Write a program to generate electricity bill according to the conditions given. Name and consumed units are inputted by the user. So in comment line we will write it. Conditions for calculating the bill are as follows. That is, for first 100 units it will be 60 paise, then for next 200 units it will be 80 paise, and beyond 300 it will be 90 paise. Then minimum charge 50 is added to every bill, and if the amount is greater than 300 then additional surcharge 15% is added. So we will declare a class first. I will declare a class electricity bill. We will declare a method here for calculating the bill. So public void calculate bill with parameters consumer name and consumed unit. We are going to calculate the bill amount, surcharge and final amount. So for this we will declare three variables: bill amount, surcharge and final amount. And now we will check the conditions. First condition is if bill unit is less than 100. So if bill unit is less than or equal to 100, then bill amount equal to bill unit into 0.60. Since for first 100 units the rate will be 60 paisa. I will declare all these variables as a double since the unit rate is in point. So I will declare it as a double. So bill amount equal to bill unit into 60. Next we will check second condition for next 200. Now we will check the second condition for next 200 units. So else if bill unit, next we will see the condition bill unit greater than 100 and bill unit less than or equal to 300. If this condition is true, then bill amount equal to, for first 100 units it will be into 0.60. Since first 100 unit rate is 60 paisa, and in addition to it we will calculate for next 200. So total bill unit minus 100 into 80 paisa. And then we will see the third condition, that is beyond 300 it will be 90 paisa per unit. So else bill amount equal to, for first 100 units it will be into 0.60, then for next 200 units it will be 0.80, and for remaining units it will be for 90. So to calculate remaining unit we will subtract bill unit minus 300, since we have already calculated the units 100 and 200, into 0.90. Now we will see the next condition. If the total amount, that is bill amount, is greater than 300, then it will add the surcharge 15% in it. So we will check that if bill amount greater than 300, it will calculate the surcharge bill amount into 15 divided by 100, since it is a 15%, and else surcharge will equal to 0. Now to calculate the final bill, F amount equal to bill amount plus 50 rupees, which is the condition given here. All users should charge minimum rupees 50. So bill amount plus 50 plus surcharge. And now we'll print all this information with console.writeLine. Console.writeLine name, then bill amount, we'll print bill amount field, then minimum charge, which will directly print 50, then surcharge, and lastly final amount. To execute this, we will create instance of this class in our main method. Now we are going to accepting the name and bill unit. So we will declare variables string for accepting the name and integer for accepting the bill unit. Now we will accept this from user. So in console.writeLine we will write it, and in m name we will accept it. Since it is a string, no need to convert, so we will directly call it console.readline. Then we will accept the bill unit. Since it is integer, we have to convert it, so we will use convert method, convert to int32. Next we will create the object for our class electricity bill, and we will execute the method in it calculate bill by passing the parameter name and unit. To execute, press F5. Here I will enter a name and I will enter units 100. It will calculate the bill. Since for first 100 units it is a 60 paisa, so the bill amount is 60, then minimum charge is 50, so the final bill is 110. If we enter units 400, it will calculate bill amount, minimum charge. Since the bill is greater than 300, it will add the surcharge 15% and find the total amount.